Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm going to do a review and cook some white rice with this Cosori 5-quart rice cooker. So here's everything that comes in the box. We get a rice cup. Here's a spatula. Now this is for steaming vegetables. We simply just pop the button, the lid pops off. This is a container. It's got our markings for how much water we're going to add. So right there it says long grain white. And this, if I put 2 of these cups in, this is called the rice cup. If I put 2 cups of rice in, then I fill it up to the 2 mark with water after I put the rice in. If I put 10 of these in, I fill it up to the 10 mark with water after the rice is already in. Yeah, this is like a non-stick coating surface on it. In here, there's a heating element. There's like a button here. It's only going to heat up when that is depressed. This lid does come off. So if we press this orange button up like that, we can take this off for cleaning. That's really nice. And we can even take it more apart, open this, and take all of this apart for cleaning. Let's do some real quick measurements. Inside's about 8 1/4, depth-wise is about 5 1/2. Let's put it in. Measurement on the steam cooker is about 7 1/2 by about 4. Now if I want to steam some vegetables or some chicken or something, I just put it in there and I put the water right there. Let's close it. Overall looks like 9 inches by 10 inches. Front to back is about 12 inches. The cord is 2-prong and it's only 30 inches long. And I do have to be able to lift the lid about 19 inches, so it should fit under a kitchen cabinet. A standard kitchen cabinet is about 17 1/2, 18 inches. And we do get a nice cookbook with directions. This is how the ratio for all the different quick white rice, jasmine, sushi, brown rice. You know, you can do rolled oats, oatmeal, barley. Now we're going to do 2 cups of long white rice, so it's going to take about 50 minutes probably. So I had to turn some lights off so we can see the display. So here it is, you're going to select what you want first. White rice, brown rice, grains, quick rice. Let's do white rice. There's our it's going to be a countdown timer. You can do long grain, medium short, or this other one. And then we got regular. We can put it on a delay. So say you want to start this at 2 in the afternoon. So you get home at 4 and it'll be ready to go when you get home. And then you're simply, once you pick what you want, then just hit the start button. Okay, all I had was brown rice. I'm gonna do 4 cups. Now I know this is for steam, but I'm gonna see if I can use this to rinse the rice. Okay, it actually did it really did a good job of rinsing the rice. The water does drain out of it. Now we want to put that rice in there. Okay, now I'm going to fill it up to the 4 on the brown rice. Since I changed, I got to go to the 4 on the brown rice. All right, get it nice and even and stop. Okay, so we can see we got it right to the 4 mark on the brown. So here I have it under my kitchen cabinets. It doesn't necessarily fit, but you may not have to open it up all the way to get everything out, but you could move it. So let's hit brown rice, long grain, and start. Okay, so I'll start a stopwatch and we'll see exactly how long it takes. Okay, it's been about 4 minutes. Now this is it's gonna have to heat up to the temperature first before it starts. So I can feel inside there, it is heating up, and then that should start counting down. Okay, so I guess it's gonna count down in 5-minute increments. So the time is right. It did start at 1:15. It's been over 10 minutes. Now it's at 1:05. I thought it would go down like every minute, but it looks like every 5 minutes it changes. Okay, so once the timer gets under 15 minutes, then it counts down by the minute. Now, I want to look at the rice, but I always get in trouble every time I look at it, so I'm not going to look at it till it's completely done. It's been 1 hour and 12 minutes on this timer. Okay, it's beeping at us. 1 hour and 20 minutes. Wow. Okay. That looks really good. All the way even on the bottom. There's just a little bit there on the bottom, but no, that looks good. Wow, they did a good job. Now that is super hot, so be careful. It will go into a keep warm mode if you don't open it up. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching. So again, thanks everybody I love what I do. I really do appreciate everybody's support. If you could hit a follow over on Instagram. I'm also on TikTok, and I have a Facebook page and a Facebook group page. I'll put links to them underneath the show description notes. Again, I bought this with my own money. If you click on one of those links, it may take you to Walmart or Amazon, and I am an affiliate with both of those. So the product won't cost you anymore, but I do get a small commission from the sale. It is a way of supporting my channel. I really do appreciate everybody. I have an Amazon storefront. So underneath there, it may take you to my Amazon storefront. And if there's other products you're looking for, you can search my Amazon storefront. There's a little search bar, and you can search for, robot vacuum. It'll bring up all the robots I've reviewed on Amazon, and you'll kind of get an idea of what I think of them there. So, and again, if you click on through there, I will get a small commission, but it is a way of helping support my channel because I love giving these honest reviews. Spending my own money, I can tell you exactly what I think of it. And if you want to kind of connect with me, I do Amazon live streams. So I'll do robot live streams that are for sale on Amazon, Tinicos, and then kind of just some good deals during Prime days. So those are live. And if you come over to Amazon and watch that live stream, you can talk to me and ask me questions about these specific products that I'm reviewing. So, and I'll be more than happy to demonstrate anything I can for you. So if you want a way of connecting with me live, Amazon Live, and I might be doing some others, YouTube Live and TikTok or Instagram, but kind of playing around with the live feature. I know that's important. People want to kind of connect and ask you certain questions, and then that way I can answer them. So I've got a new project I've been working on, all the Ring doorbell cameras and everything. So I've got them all here, and I've got a display board so that I can teach people. I bought all these with my own money, and I want to teach people how all the Ring video cameras and everything work. These are on my Amazon storefront, but also my other channel, Just a Dad Tips. So this is where I kind of do I'll show you exactly how to unbox this, mount it, connect it to your phone, and then what accessories and how to use it. So that's for all the different Ring cameras. And so I feel like you can't do Ring if you don't do Blink. So these things, they sell a lot of them. They're so different. They're kind of different. They kind of do the same thing, but they're different. So I got a whole display board that I show you all the different Blink products. Again, Just a Dad Tips, all the how-tos, all the links, and on my Amazon storefront. So if you're thinking about buying a Blink camera, go to my Amazon storefront, search for Blink camera, just type in the word Blink and it'll show you all the Blink products that I've reviewed. Again, same thing. I like these products. Now, I buy these with my own money. Now, are they all the best thing ever? Well, no, they've got some things, but they actually, I got a whole bunch of these Blinks around my house outside that I use. So I'll tell you the shortcomings of some of the products, and I'll tell you what I absolutely love about them also. Also got some more exciting robot vacuum videos coming, the X40. Got comparisons with the the Roborock Q Revo Max V. There's the X30. Got some more Roombas coming. I got a Roomba J9. That's the J5. So I got some more products coming. Dyson vacuum cleaners, Tinicos. The Shark Hydrovacs. There's the Tinicos over there. And then here's kind of where I do my testing. I'll test all three of these against each other for a while. I'll do a video. And over here I do some more testing. Roomba i5, L60, the Eufy, and the Shark AI. And I did just buy this Eufy security camera. I've been seeing a lot of ads. And so I thought, okay, I'm going to try. I bought this with my own money. I want to see what it's all about. It looks really, really cool. So I'm pretty excited about it. And I just started to get into Tinico vacuum cleaners. So this is the S1. I got the i4-5 Breeze. I think this is new. I don't have it. So I will be reviewing it. And then I'll compare it to all the other Tinicos that I have. I also compare things to Dysons. I've got quite a few of these Dyson vacuum cleaners. Again, I was not a big fan early on of Dyson. I thought they were expensive, and I didn't understand why. I still think they're expensive, but now I understand that they're actually really, really good vacuum cleaners. But I will compare them with a cheaper one to let you know, is the Dyson $600 more? Is it worth $600 more over a Shark or a Bissell? So I have lots of videos that show you the differences and comparisons. Then I love doing my carpet cleaners. These are some of my best carpet cleaners. I save these for future videos. I've got videos on all of them, but then if they release a new one, I want to grab that one, compare the new one to the old one. And then I do set aside some stuff for free giveaways. We give away some Stanleys. I've got this, cause I made this custom-made Keurig. I just put my stickers on it. I'll be giving this as a free giveaway, so be sure and check out my Instagram, my Facebook group page, and Facebook. Yeah, we're giving this away this week. This Cuisinart Soho. It's just a K-Cup coffee maker. Pretty nice. We'll be giving away the beautiful espresso machine. Oh, I got here a, I don't think I have never even opened this. This is an espresso Verdio Pop. So as you can see, I've been really busy. I love what I do, and I just can't thank everybody enough for your support. So again, thank you so much. If you could, please like and subscribe, and thanks again. Oh, look who showed up. Somebody's been napping. Oh, okay, somebody's wanting a treat. There's Miss Fiona. All right, she's gonna take a little nap while we go finish our video.